Leads don't convert just because of one simple reason. There is no proper follow-up. Most businesses capture leads, but after that, the communication becomes inconsistent or stops completely. Because of this, the interest fades and potential customers never take the next step. That's why I'm here, because through this video, I will show you how to fix this problem using a AI-powered WhatsApp assistant. This will capture lead details, understand intent, send personalized follow-ups at the right time, and even handle objections automatically. Now, first of all, I will show you the working of this AI assistant that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then I will help you build this for yourself. My AI assistant will get assigned to all those customers who will just send this keyword a start inside my chat. Let me just send this keyword in here. Then you will see instantly this AI agent will get triggered and it will send a welcome message right here on our screen. We have received this welcome message. Hey there, welcome to Growth Expert Solutions. I am Nova, your AI assistant. I'll help you explore solution, guide you based on your needs, and even follow up with you automatically to ensure you get the best results. You can see this assistant has also provided me with 5 different options of what I can do with this AI assistant. Now let us explore solution. So we have to send this to in here. Instantly you will see that this WhatsApp AI assistant will help me with what I want. You can see as I wanted to explore solutions for my problem, that's why it is now asking me what challenges are you facing. I will provide my challenge in here. Here I have provided this dummy challenge in here. Next you will see instantly this WhatsApp AI agent will help me with this problem. Next it is asking me for my monthly budget. So in here I will provide my monthly budget also. Then it is asking me how soon do you want results. Now as I want these results immediately, that's why I will send it in the chat. I have received this message. Next, lead qualification complete. Based on our responses, your lead is being treated as interested and time sensitive. Would you like to continue with one of these options? You can see I've got these options. Either I can directly get started with solving this problem, book a call, or talk to expert. This means that this AI assistant will also help me connect to an expert directly from here. So let us just send this 3 in here. Then we will see how this AI assistant will connect us with an expert. I have received this message where this AI assistant is asking for my name so that it can connect me with an expert. So you just saw this is how instantly this AI assistant understood my intent, what I wanted. You can see instantly this AI assistant is going beyond its limits to help me with my problem. Now if you have this AI assistant working for you 24/7, then you will also be able to capture your leads, nurture them, and solve their problems as soon as they will arrive. So here this was the demo of my AI assistant. Now I will help you also create this exact same AI assistant for your business. For that, just navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow by opening a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. Then from this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you have to click on this sign up free button if you are a new user and create your free account. After that, you can also get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, explore our application and create some AI assistant on your own for free. After that, to unlock the full potential of our application, you just have to upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly. And right now, we are running a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So to avail that benefit, use my coupon code JAIYT that is available on the left side of my screen. So copy this coupon code from here, JAIYT, and use it while purchasing your subscription so that you can get an exclusive discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. But if you are existing user here, click on this sign in button. Then from this all apps page of Pabbly, click on this access now button. You will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside this dashboard, on the right side, this add WhatsApp number button is available. Click on this button, select any of these 2 methods and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be accessible to you. In here, we have multiple features. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, then you have to watch those videos that I have added in the description box. Now to create an AI assistant, from this column itself, click on this AI assistant, so you will get directed on this AI assistant page. In here, on the right side, we have this button, add AI assistant. Click on this button to start creating your AI assistant. But before moving forward, let us give a meaningful name to our assistant. Then we have to press this add AI assistant button. We will get directed on the page where we can start creating our AI assistant. We have to create our AI assistant in here by simply working on 4 different steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last this styling. Now inside these steps, AI instructions is the most important one, because here we have to provide the instructions of how our AI assistant will respond to our users. First of all, select the instruction type as this AI agent, because we want to create an AI agent for ourselves. Then inside the instruction box, if you want, you can add instruction on your own, and these instructions will help your AI assistant answer the queries of your users. Next, we have this AI configuration. For this temperature, 0.5 is set automatically. This temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. The closer this temperature is to 0, it will give more focused answer. But if you will set this temperature closer to 1, your AI assistant will get creative answers. Then for the select AI to use, we have to select this OpenAI. For this model, you can select any model as per your preference, but I will select this GPT 5.4. Then we have to add this API key. This API key is the password of your OpenAI account. To get this key, at first you have to purchase the paid subscription of OpenAI. Then just click on this hyperlink. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. Inside this page, on the right side, you will see this button, create new secret key. Click on this button. Then in here, you have to give a name to your key. Then press this create secret key button. Your secret key will get generated, which you can easily copy from here. Go back inside Pabbly Connect, paste the key, press this connect button. Your OpenAI key will get saved successfully. Then we have this AI assistant settings, where we have these 5 different settings. If you want to use any one of them, just turn these buttons on to use them. If you want to use this header, turn this button on. Inside this box, you can add any message. That message will be visible to your customer with every reply of your assistant as a header. The same goes for this footer message also. Now the third one is a stop keyword. You just have to turn this button on. Inside this box, add any keyword, press this enter button to successfully add this. After adding this keyword, it will work as whenever your customer will send this keyword stop inside their chat, our WhatsApp assistant will stop replying to them. Then if you want, you can also overtake the chat on your own and reply manually to your customers. Next, we have this retry attempt. Inside this box, we can enter number in range of 1 to 10 to give fallback retry attempts to our AI assistant. Then we have this fallback message, which will get delivered to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. If you want to change this, you can also change this on your own. Then we have to move towards our second step, knowledge source, where we have to upload a file. Here this text is written, connect knowledge unique to your business, include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically, in here we have to upload a knowledge base file, which must contain every minute detail about how I want this AI assistant to perform and how you want your AI assistant to help your customers solve their queries. Inside my Google Docs account, you can see I've created this detailed knowledge base where I've provided every single detail, like how my AI assistant will respond to the queries of my customer, how it will grade them, and how it will send different replies to my customer. After creating this knowledge base, to download it, go on the file, click on the download, and you can select these 2 different eligible formats inside Pabbly Chatflow, PDF or text. I have already downloaded my knowledge base in the TXT format, which is visible right here. So I have to go back inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then now, first of all, we have to upload this knowledge base inside our Pabbly Chatflow. For that, we have to click on this cloud. Then on this add new file, next we have to drag our knowledge base and drop it in here. After that, press this upload files. Your knowledge base will get uploaded inside Pabbly Chatflow. Here this is my knowledge base, so you just have to select this, press this insert button. Your knowledge base will get uploaded and processed successfully. You can see my knowledge base is also uploaded. Now we have to move towards our third step, assistant interface. With this assistant interface, we can change anything and everything that is visible inside this box. If you want to change this brand name, you just have to add the text inside this display heading name. If you want to change this subheading, you have to add the text inside this subheading name. For this initial message, if you want to delete this, change this, or add anything else inside this box, you just have to type in the text like this hello, press this enter button. This keyword will get added successfully. Next, we have this powered by Pabbly, which is visible right here. If you want to enable or disable it, you can select it from this drop down. Here this privacy policy is also visible, which is actually a hyperlink. If you want to create this, type text inside this box and paste link inside this box. Then your hyperlink will get created successfully. Then we have this user first message. If you want to change this, you can also change this. Now let us move towards our last step, styling. Now in here, if I want, I can style my AI agent. Like I can change the theme, I can change the shape of the assistant, or I can also change the background color. So change this if you want to, but if you don't want to change them, simply turn your AI agent on from here, press this save AI assistant button. Your AI assistant will get saved successfully. Now you can see my assistant is saved. Next, if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, click on this embed button, copy the script from here and paste it inside your website. After that, this AI assistant will also work from your website. So with this, I've successfully shown you how you can create this WhatsApp AI assistant inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now we just have to test if this AI assistant is working properly or not. Now to test it, we just have to create a flow with the help of which this AI assistant will only get assigned to those customers who will send any particular keyword inside our WhatsApp chat. Now to create a flow, we have to go inside the flow and select this flows from here. Then in here, click on this add flow button to start creating a flow for yourself. But as I've already created a flow, so let me show it to you. This is the flow that I've created, and to trigger it, I selected the trigger event as keyword or rejects match. Then inside this box, I added this keyword, the start. Now this means that whenever any customer will send this keyword start inside my chat, my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered. Next, I wanted this chatbot to instantly assign an AI assistant to my customer. So for that, from this action features, I simply drag this assign AI assistant node, dropped it in here. Now we have to work on this assign AI assistant. So from this drop down, select the AI assistant that you have just created. Then for this start with, you have to select this use client message because we want our AI assistant to get triggered with the help of our client's message. After adding these details, make sure to click on the save button, otherwise your chatbot will not work properly. After adding these details, you just have to open your WhatsApp account to test your WhatsApp assistant. To test our AI assistant, we just have to send this keyword start again. I will send this. Instantly you will see that my WhatsApp AI assistant will get triggered and it will send me a welcome message here. We have received our welcome message. This means that the AI assistant and chatbot that we have created inside our Pabbly Chatflow account are working all fine. So just like this, you also have to go and create this lead capturing and nurturing WhatsApp AI assistant inside your own Pabbly Chatflow account. So just go and create this right now. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. For your doubts, ask them in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. Just a quick reminder at end that don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT to purchase your yearly or lifetime subscription plans so that you can avail the special discount that we are running right now. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.